Capture breathtaking moments from new heights with the best travel drones on the market. These compact and versatile devices are essential companions for any adventure enthusiast or travel blogger looking to elevate their content. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best travel drones you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Experience a visual journey with the DJI Mini 3 Pro, crowned the number 5 best travel drone. Packed into its compact, foldable frame is a powerhouse of features that redefine drone exploration. Capture the essence of your travels in breathtaking 48-megapixel clarity. This drone dances through the skies, recording the world below in mesmerizing 4K resolution. But it's not just about the pixels, it's about time too. With an impressive 34-minute flight duration, the Mini 3 Pro weaves through the air at a maximum speed of 52 feet per second. As it soars, it becomes a storyteller, transmitting your adventures up to 7.5 miles away. Intelligence is stitched into its wings, offering focus track and intelligent modes that transform your footage into a masterpiece. In the DJI Mini 3 Pro, innovation meets emotion. The camera gimbal gracefully pirouettes 90 degrees, allowing you to capture the world in unique vertical perspectives. Ideal for the wandering soul, this drone is not just a companion, it's a storyteller, a content creator's muse. For those who crave lightweight brilliance, the DJI Mini 3 Pro awaits, priced at $759. Unfold the sky and unfold your story. Meet the DJI Mini 4 Pro, a marvel among travel drones, ranked 4th for its exceptional features and portability. Weighing a mere 8.7 ounces, this drone is a feather-light companion for adventurers and content creators alike. Unleash your creativity with its 12-megapixel camera, 4K video resolution, and a 1/1 3-inch sensor that captures breathtaking aerial moments. The Mini 4 Pro stands out with an impressive 34-minute flying time, extendable to 45 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. Experience the freedom of exploration as this drone soars at a maximum speed of 52 feet per second. What truly sets it apart is the revolutionary O4 video transmission system, offering seamless control and vivid 1080p 60 FPS Full HD Live feeds up to 12 miles away. Navigate effortlessly with the 3-axis gimbal and omnidirectional obstacle sensing, ensuring your footage is smooth and obstacle-free. Embrace advanced features like waypoint flight, cruise control, and advanced RTH for a seamless return journey. For $1,009, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is your ticket to capturing travel memories with unparalleled style and grace. The DJI Air 3 drone, ranked as the 3rd best travel drone, is a true marvel in the world of aerial exploration. Its dual-camera design, featuring a 24mm wide-angle lens and a 3x medium telecamera, unlocks unparalleled creativity for photographers and videographers alike. Boasting a cinematic 4K 60 FPS resolution, this drone captures moments with breathtaking clarity and detail. What sets the DJI Air 3 apart is its extraordinary 46-minute flight time, allowing users to extend their aerial adventures without interruptions. The 3-axis gimbal stabilization ensures silky smooth footage, while omnidirectional obstacle sensing provides a protective shield during flights. The 12-mile HD video transmission range ensures a stable connection, even in remote locations. Beyond its technical prowess, the drone's foldable and lightweight design makes it a travel essential. Priced at $1,099, the DJI Air 3 is an investment in boundless creativity and endless exploration, a companion for those who seek to capture the world from extraordinary perspectives. Unleash your creativity and capture the world in unprecedented detail with the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, crowned as the number 2 best travel drone. This marvel of technology transcends the boundaries of conventional drones, immersing enthusiasts in a breathtaking aerial experience. with a triumphant blend of a 20 megapixels 𝗕𝗲𝗃 camera, a 48 megapixels medium tel camera, and a 12 megapixels medium tel camera. The Mavic 3 Pro paints the sky with a canvas of unparalleled clarity. Embark on a 43-minute odyssey, exploring the heavens at a maximum speed of 62 feet per second. This drone is not just a tool, it's a symphony of lenses, sensors, and wings, choreographed to capture 5.1K video masterpieces at 50 FPS. The omniscient obstacle sensing technology and AP as 5.0 elevate the flight experience, ensuring a safe journey through the skies. Tailored for professional photographers and videographers, the Mavic 3 Pro isn't just a drone, it's an artistic accomplice, priced at $2,199. Elevate your aerial storytelling and redefine what's possible with the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, where innovation meets imagination. Say hello to the DJI Mini 2, the unrivaled champion of travel drones, crowned as the #1 choice for adventurers and memory makers. Weighing a mere 8.7 ounces, it's as light as an apple, fitting snugly in your palm, ready to transform the way you capture cherished moments. Imagine soaring along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. The Mini 2's robust design resists level 5 winds and ascends to 4,000 meters, ensuring your footage remains stable and breathtaking. The drone's OcuSync 2.0 video transmission spans up to 6 miles, providing crystal clear views and defying interference, granting you the freedom to fly farther. Its powerful performance boasts a remarkable 31-minute battery life, allowing ample time to compose the perfect shot. The 4x digital zoom lets you capture dreamy shots from a safe distance, while the Quick Shots feature effortlessly records professional-level videos for instant social media sharing. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned flyer, the DJI Mini 2, priced at a tempting $599, is the ultimate travel companion, ensuring every adventure is etched in stunning detail and shared with the world. Thank you for tuning in to today's Tech-tastic journey. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. In the fast-evolving world of technology, staying up to date is essential, and we've got you covered. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or just getting started, our channel is your go-to source for the latest reviews, tutorials, and insightful insights. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our tech-savvy community.